Imagine sailing into a cave where the walls look like they've been painted by an artist's brush. Smash that like button because nature just pulled off the ultimate flex. Welcome to the marble caves of Chile, carved over 6,000 years by the waves of Lake General Carrera. The swirling blue and white patterns on the walls aren't paint. They're pure marble reflecting the water's colors. What's even crazier? The caves change shades throughout the year, glowing turquoise in spring and deep blue in summer. It's like stepping inside a living piece of art. So tell me, would you take a boat ride through this masterpiece?